Welcome to Paybooks. In this video, we will see how to approve comp-off in ESS. As a reporting manager, you can approve the comp-off request made by your reportees. Once your team member applies for comp-off, you will receive an email notification with details of the comp-off request. You have the option to directly approve or reject the comp-off in the mail without logging into ESS. To approve or decline the comp-off request in ESS, click the menu bar, click Approvals, select the type of approval. In this case, it will be comp-off. Select the year and pending from the drop-down. All the requests which have been submitted for approval will be displayed. Select the employee. You can either approve or decline the request. An email notification will be sent to your reportees that you have approved or declined the comp-off. On approval, the employees can request a leave or payment against the comp-off as per the company policy. Thank you for watching this video and have a great day.